fellow Staten Islanders, I've called you here to this town hall meeting, not because my guts hurt, but because I have some very sad news to deliver to my constituents. I will now open the floor to any questions that you may have about what this may be.
Mr. Michael Anthony, Mr. Mike Anthony.
Yes, you in the front.
We have questions. You have not come to any press conferences. You have not shown up to any debates. What exactly are you even still running? What's going on with the campaign?
This is the thing. My fucking guts hurt, bro.
Yes,
when my guts hurt.
Understand that. That's literally your motto. It's on the bumper sticker.
I know, but look, bro. When my guts hurt, I can't come to fucking debates, bro. I can't sit there and talk to Lester Holt when my fucking guts are knots, bro.
Okay, you're
I can't do this anymore, bro.
You're tracking at less than 5%.
Bro, listen. Bro, this is the problem. Kamala Harris dropped out. She's a cop. My dad's a cop, bro. It's triggering to me. You understand? It opens up a lot of fucking repressed memories of my childhood and shit like that. And all I need is a fucking hot bag, bro. That's it. I got into this whole shit for a hot bag. No, donations were for hot bags. I've been scamming you the whole time. I'm sorry, everybody. I gotta drop out. I want to make Michael Anthony great again. And in the process, make America great again. But I failed yous all on Victory Boulevard. I'm sorry. But if you see Julio, tell him, give me a call. Any other questions?
Yeah. There was allegations that you were funding the campaign using your mother's stolen debit card. Is this true or false?
Well, listen, bro. Let me ask you a question. Let me answer your question with a question, bro. Have you ever been in a tough spot and needed a couple dollars, a couple fazools, to get by, bro?
I'm not sure what fazools are, but perhaps.
Yeah, it's currency, bro. I'm multilingual. So, what would you do if your son was at home? I mean, you know, if you needed money, you would go in your mother's purse and you would take a debit card because you know a fucking pin is gabagool.
I wouldn't, but...
It's GABA. It's GABA. Use it on the pin pad. And I had to do it because I had to get the campaign started because Michael Anthony does not accept corporations' donations. All right? This is a grassroots campaign because I got to smoke grass after I do a speedball, bro, to come down. You know what I mean? And get right, bro.
Do you have anything to say to finish up this press conference?
Well, you know, all I got to say is that I'm handing over my campaign to the Bodega Boys. All right? They're taking over for me. This is episode 182 of the most dangerous podcast in America. They're going to take the stage right now and blow your fucking cocks off. All right? So give it up one time for the Bodega Boys. Do the motherfucking drop, bro.
Bodega Boys in the building. You know what it is? Episode 182. You know what it is. Sponsor, as always, live from the Jamroom in Milk Studios.
Legend gang.
You know what I'm saying? Legendary building. Enjoy it while it's here.
Yeah.
It's your boy D's Nice, the kid Mero.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? Here, we're back. Still on
high.
hiatus. You know what I'm saying? Doing big things. Just finished up our book coming out on Random House, a real book. We're not selling it on the train. We're not walking between cars. Selling stapled copies. It's a real book, baby.
It's not like some weird paperback shit that you could just find on Amazon that has like 2 buyers. You know what I'm saying? No, it's real.
It's not an ebook.
That's right.
It's not a PDF.
That's right.
That comes in the USB that I boofed in the Rikers to teach y'all niggas knowledge. But then I got inside Rikers and realized ain't no MacBooks.
Shit.
And everyone was like, "Is that a Juul?" And I was like, "It's a shitty flavor Juul."
Yo,
you want to put your lips on that?
Yo, don't put your lips on my Juul.
It's like,
shout out to Juul killing niggas everywhere.
I mean, it's killing the game.
Apparently.
Who dying from? Are people dying from Juuls?
So apparently, the kids are dying from Juuls because they had a Juul smoking contest.
Here's woke Jesus. They called it Juul because like if you have like a drawl or you can't pronounce it properly, it sounds like you're saying Jews. So then if you're just like, oh, Jews are killing everybody. Jews are killing everybody. Jews are killing everybody. See, they're trying to progress you for the multinational world run by the Illuminati, mind, soul, and body.
New World Order.
All right, keep your mind open.
Open your third eye, nigga. What's up?
But I say that to say this: if the Illuminati is real, me and Mero have to join because we want to go to that Rock Nation brunch, baby. You know it's the Rock.
Hey, guys, what up?
Yo, what up? What up? Yo, cast it over. Pass me some cheese and eggs, nigga. Yo.
The Rock Nation brunch, like, yo, Fat Joe, can you pass me a deviled egg, please?
Yo, excuse me, fabulous. I need some country biscuit gravy. Yeah, this is wonderful. Damn,
this shit is slaps.
Also, shout out to Showtime.
Yeah.
We got season 2 of Jesus and Mero on the way, February 3rd.
Season 2, we about to shit on you niggas.
You know
what I'm saying?
it's gonna be back.
You know what I mean?
What else we got going on?
Mad things. You know what I'm saying?
We got our Hanukkah special coming to
That's right.
Coming to HGTV.
You know what I mean?
It's called The Yadas.
The Yada means, you know what I mean? The Yamaka means.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
By Yamaka means necessary.
Diamond Dreidel. Diamond D's doing the soundtrack.
All right. Them dreidel boys. Okay. Spin you like a dreidel.
You know what I'm saying? Come through first night, get lit. You know what I'm saying? Order food and shit.
First night, that sounds like some romantic shit. We gotta get Trey Songz on that.
First night of Hanukkah.
And he gotta say some nasty
I'ma
shit.
hit you from the back, girl.
He's gonna incorporate like about the oils lasted forever, but it's like massage oil. Yeah.
That oil lasts forever like that pussy juice.
Nigga put latkes in your poom poom. You don't want that. You don't want that.
Niggas eating latkes and applesauce out your church. Woo. I love it.
Nasty.
No, we starting off nasty.
Ozempic.
Yo, she just gave it. I know.
Shout out to Ozempic. That shit.
They did it. They did it. Because
I don't know what that drug is for. I don't know.
I don't care. I'm about to take the shit
every 2 minutes.
That's it. We about to be the new SoundCloud rappers, but our drug is Ozempic. We not taking Xans or Molly, and it's like Ozempic, nigga. Ozempic boys, nigga. I mean, I'm going off this Zempic. Going off this Zempic.
Last night was epic. Gone off that Zempic.
Black Bottle Boys, we got that Ozempic on deck. You know what I'm saying?
Imagine you bring a chick to the crib like, yo, take an O, man.
Yo, take an O.
Take an O. She's like, oh my God,
I don't really do that.
Hold on, I gotta consult with my physician.
Stop. I gotta find out if my heart is healthy enough for sex.
Also, if you watch the commercial, the black lady is the black lady from the Popeyes commercial.
Yo, facts.
So wait,
I was only nigga to peep that.
Is that Popeyes chicken making niggas have to take like heart medicine?
So bust this. I seen the shit and I peeped it, and I was like, chill, you're smack, bro. Don't do the Lonnie Love Sherry Shepherd shit again, bro. Don't do it. I had to tweet in the drafts, and I was just like, yo, chill. I was like, I'm not 100% sure if this is Shorty, and I'm not about to Google Popeyes chicken lady and fucking Ozempic lady.
That will put you on an anti-black watch list. We will discuss you at the next meeting. They'll be like, I told you Mero was anti-black. No, I watch it. If you watch, I've watched that commercial so many times, and there's so much weird shit. And the most beautiful shit, shout out to the writers of that song.
Oh yeah.
The lyrics for the song are literally it's magic, and then it's just gibberish after. They just it trails off, so they just go like, and it just stops, and you know they got the big check for that. Shout out to, we gotta get some pharmaceutical ads.
Oh my God. Yo, put us in a fucking, one of them ads that is like for like mild joint pain. Side effects may include nausea, diarrhea, cramping, menstrual cramping, leg cramping, fatalities, death, thoughts of suicide, thoughts of snitching like Tekashi, and death. And you're like, what?
They're like, check with your physician.
Fam, this shit is for a hangnail.
Do you just go to the doctor and be like, yo, I want to try this new drug?
Yo, they got this new shit.
They got this new shit.
Yo, I'm trying to
connect that shit.
Yo, can I get 2 boxes, nigga? One to rock and one to stock? Nigga, what's good?
Doctor text you like the weed guy, got that new shit in deck. Got that new Ozempic.
Yo, it's not generic, nigga. I got the official shit.
They got fire emojis behind it. Oh man,
you pull him, it's like an old nigga named Walter and shit. Like he's like, that Ozempic, man.
Oh man.
Oh yeah, that Ozempic. It's fucking.
I've had over 40 pizzas in the last 30 days. Living currently in Bronx.
Papa.
Okay, that's that real shit.
I've had over 40 pizzas in the last 30 days.
That's right.
Papa John, 40 pizzas
he's like,
in the last 30 days.
But time out. He's fucking up. He's violating biggest 10 crank commandments, my nigga. You can never get high on your own supply.
He's beyond high. He's beyond high. His blood is straight marinara at this point. That nigga burp and that shit smell like pepperoni.
Nigga shit them little peppers that come in the pepper jar.
Yo, that nigga wipe his ass. The paper look like when you blot the pizza. Just mad grease on top of it.
That nigga stays looking greasy in every photo, fam.
Imagine going to your doctor. They're like, "What's your diet?" He's just like pizza. They're like
what else?
No, just pizza, nigga.
Nah, like just
40 days. So, okay, 40 pizzas in 30 days.
Okay, I understand that. But what else have you eaten besides pizza?
Nah, just pizza. Just pizza. That's
Wow.
when you start talking like the guy for Little Caesars. He's like, pizza.
Pizza. And he'd be like, oh, nah, chill. I got one high one time and I ordered that big ass chocolate chip cookie for no reason.
How do you 40 pizzas in 30 days?
In 30 days, dog.
That's a lot of pizza.
Listen.
That's a lot of pizza.
That sounds like a
Imagine-
mixtape fucking title.
That
for some
really does.
Bozo.
I had 40 pizzas in 30 days. Imagine you a landlord and your tenant, like the garbage is just like 40 pizzas. You gotta stop and talk to them like, my God, you all right?
Yo, fam, you got anything you want to talk about?
You going through something?
We could talk.
I need a haircut so badly because this mustache is like tickling.
Curling up into the
And
thing.
I keep going like this.
Yeah, mine is coming down right here and it's going over the lip and it just keeps touching the top of my
Yeah.
lip and I keep thinking I got a hair in my mouth and I'm like,
No, it's making it like snot a little and I keep going like this and people
it's
think I got the walk. So I'm going to refill my MetroCard and I'm like, yeah, stop, bro.
You know the fucking vibe.
You know the fucking vibes, bro. Do I want time or value? Let me figure it out. It was like, move! I was like, it's an existential crisis, bro. Come on, bro. It's a question. What do I want to do with my life? Do I want to spend time or do I want to have value? So this was a bottle.
Shut the fuck up! Fuck! From that far away. Shut the fuck up!
Who threw that? The station's empty.
Stay safe. Show your face. You coward.
I'll fight everyone here.
Yo,
I'll fight everyone at Grand Army Plaza.
I don't care.
I don't give a shit.
Fuck you.
I'm the army.
that's great.
This is
You get
my
the-
plaza.
You get the Italian construction worker guy that want to fight everybody.
So yeah.
Yeah, I'll fucking kick your ass, bro.
Don't fight anyone on the train.
Fuck with me.
This rule number 35A of the MTA. Do not fight anyone that has a construction helmet, not on their head, but somewhere on their body or on their book bag. They will duff you.
They will fuck
especially
you.
if it's a chick.
And yo, 1,000,000%. And
so-
look at the stickers on the helmet. If they got like
right.
a fucking Onyx sticker on that shit, nigga, I'm not fucking with you.
All right, shorty hit you body shots and shit. You be
Yo,
pissing blood for
fam.
days.
I seen this dude on the train, bro, wild dusty with the whole construction fit, helmet next to him and shit, mad EPMD, old school rap stickers and shit. He was just sitting there like this,
Just waiting.
just looking straight ahead. And the nigga was looking through me. I was like, God damn. I was like, let me just look down.
Yeah, sometimes that's the easiest way. Sometimes you just gotta be humble.
Let me just mind my business.
You know,
stay in my bubble.
pretend you're playing Flappy Bird. Or pull out the Bible app and
Yo,
watch stats and caught up.
Just turn this shit like this.
They're
Like,
like, sir, do you know about Revelations 25:17? Here, let's read it together. Yo, did you see Offset cheating on Cardi?
wow. Wow. I am very surprised by
No,
this.
because like they said that he slid in Takashi's ex's DMs, and then she had like a screenshot, and it was like he wrote like "miss you for real" or some shit.
Bro, why would you slide into snitches girls' DMs?
I don't know.
I mean, if they had anything in common, it would be snitching.
It's true.
You know what I'm saying?
Should know that off top.
Come on.
But then like he was like that his account got hacked, so then he tweeted, "I lick ass cheeks, I'm gay, y'all, and balls in my face."
Trying to play it off. Oh, them niggas keep doing the IP like, yo, you tweeted this shit from Atlanta, nigga?
So shout out to him. That's the attempted finesse of the week.
Yo,
Like,
gotta give it up.
I'm not even
Gotta
mad
give
at
it
that.
up. Gotta
I'm not-
give it up.
I know what was going through his head. That moment, like she was like, "You did what?" And he was like, hold on, I'm going to the bathroom." He was like, that last one, balls in my face. Like, relax,
Yeah.
relax.
He's doing a lot.
I'm gay. I'm gay, y'all.
Okay, yo.
Oh, got hacked.
Oh, yo, they hacked me.
Damn.
You gotta post a picture of a random Google search image dick and then be like, yo, they really, chill, this is wild
Damn.
embarrassing.
So you got to do
I
like a
posted
full.
Lexington Steele's dick.
If someone hacked you, you got to do like a full day of hacking wild shit, not just 3 tweets in 30 seconds of each other.
Come on, son. You gotta keep it moving. Keep you know what I'm saying? Keep the fantasy going, bro.
Listen, at this point, Cardi might just have to be like, "Yo, fam, it is what it is."
I'm more popular.
You know, I know what it is. Like, you gotta do you, I'm gonna do me. Damn. Balls in my face.
Balls in my face.
The sad thing is, if you say balls in my face the same way he says they do anything for clout, it's a hot track.
They do anything for balls in the face.
I got balls in my face. Balls in my face. Balls in my face. Hack. I look at cheeks. Oh man.
No.
Also, like he DM'd her on Instagram, but then he tweeted that he was hacked on like
Twitter.
Listen. Listen. This ain't Law and Order. I'm not Ice-T. I'm not here to solve these crimes. Oh man.
Yo, my man's is out of control, man.
Oh. In
He's
breaking
taking
news,
L's. He's taking L's. But,
the Giants quarterback has hurt his foot.
oh
Is in
yeah,
a
he hurt
boot.
his. Yeah, he twisted his ankle.
So do you know what that means for the Eagles game?
I mean, the whole division sucks.
But who's making his return? One Eli.
Oh, that's right.
Manning,
Yeah.
Eli. Remember,
I was like, oh, he's still there. I thought they just put him in a mausoleum.
you can't spell elite
With a
without
clipboard.
Eli. What? Yeah, you can't. Oh,
Imagine,
yeah, you
imagine
can't.
he does. So to quick, nicely segue. Imagine he comes back and has that Melo comeback where he's just like, yo, player of the week, fucking. You know what I'm saying?
no,
Like
that's definitely what's gonna happen.
he's gonna throw for like 400 yards, 5
He's gonna probably have
touchdowns.
the game of his life.
Yo, the nigga be like, I
gonna-
don't know. Do we
but-
bring him back?
Yeah, but you know, shout out to Melo. Melo came back.
Hard. He was like,
Melo
oh, you
came
niggas
back.
think I can't hoop?
Melo's like, yo, I got my bitch back and I got my game back.
He's like,
What's
yeah,
up?
I'm gonna catch this player of the week, nigga.
I respect that.
Shout out to Melo.
Melo's like when you know the old they hire someone older at your job
Yeah.
and he gotta show all you youngins how it's
Yeah,
done.
like, yo, we put you
he go
niggas
extra
on.
hard. You like, oh shit.
Oh, okay.
Oh, shit.
Shit, goddamn.
Go ahead, uncle.
I'm like, yo, we gotta do this. I already did it
Already did it.
2 hours ago. Where was y'all
Yo,
at?
someone called maintenance to change the water in the water
I
cooler.
did that.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
You don't know? Oh, you thought I was just an athlete?
Okay, wow.
Huh?
Yo,
I'm also a licensed electrician.
yo, call the IT because like the printer's
Listen,
out of paper.
I
So-
already reset the router, brother.
oh
I
shit.
already reset the router. It was a simple fix.
oh shit.
You know what I'm saying?
Stay mellow.
That's it. Off the backboard, holla.
Wow.
You
Shit.
niggas out here, he's like, yo, Carmelo Anthony, player of the week.
Shout out to Mello. We should all
Yeah,
strive
yeah.
to be our
Yo.
own personal Mello.
Word. You know what I'm saying?
You know?
The God.
Said drop mad points.
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe-
Out here efficiently.
You know, maybe-
might I add?
Have mad hats.
You know what I'm saying?
Maybe a cheat.
We're not here to talk about that. We're just here to celebrate the guy.
To celebrate the God.
That's it.
That's it. Shout out to the God Mello.
Yo, but I mean, gonna hold you. This shit was mad funny when fucking when Lala FaceTimed him. It
His
was just
son,
like,
yeah.
look, nigga, it's your fucking pops, nigga. Yo, he's about to break a record or whatever, nigga. Go ahead,
true, it's
say
true.
hi.
I mean, listen.
The
Shout out to
fucking-
Lala. Lala doing the thing. Lala probably has moments. She's just like, can't stand this nigga.
I can't say that's
She
what
probably
marriage
watches him
is.
sleep and has like a fork like.
Listen, look into my eyes. Let me tell you niggas something. That's what marriage is.
into my eyes and tell me
what it is you look into my. Yo, marriage is sometimes your wife being like, yo, this nigga's about to break a fucking record, stupid. Yo, look at your father. And fucking dick. I told him to take the garbage out yesterday. He didn't take that shit out.
All right,
And
at
some
that
bitch
point,
like his
at
pictures.
this point, listen. If it's about not taking the garbage out, if you said an NBA record, you gotta put that shit to the side, man.
Yo, come on.
Okay?
Stop being petty.
There's a time and place for shit.
I didn't know it was paper.
All right,
I
if
thought it was
I'm-
plastic.
If I'm getting a Nobel Peace Prize while they're saying my name, I don't want to hear something.
This nigga didn't take the chicken off the fridge.
Cornball. Stick is corny. I'm like, yo, mom.
He'd be like, yo, we like us to welcome to the stage.
They'd be like, there's a
Award
heckler.
winning.
I'm like, that's my wife. That's my wife. I'm sorry, guys.
I'd like to welcome award-winning writer, comedian,
cornball.
entertainer
This
to
nigga's
the
wild
stage.
corny.
Desus, nice. Please welcome to the stage.
He's not so nice.
It's
Cornball.
award.
Yo, who said that shit?
Come down there. Who said
That was me. Somebody, it was me. What's up?
that was you, Marigold?
that was me.
No,
Fuck yeah,
talk to
come
you
yeah,
later.
come yeah.
Talk to
Uh-huh.
you later.
Yeah, we're gonna talk. We're gonna talk right here.
Oh. Anyway, I'd like to take this award for writing the song.
The fuck up, shit's corny.
I do like to dedicate this to.
Shut
to
up,
my
you was
wife.
high.
Zambic.
Oh my God,
Remember
he
that?
loves
That
me.
was,
He
remember that
loves
was our
me.
wedding song.
Damn, he loves me for real. I'm sorry, Poppy.
Niggas came down the aisle to that. I'm like, yeah, my wedding's sponsored. At the end of the vows, I was like, to have and to hold, for better or worse. Hashtag ad.
Yo, these vows brought to you by Pepsi.
Yeah.
Pepsi, when you need a cold, refreshing drink.
All right. I now pronounce you man and wife. You can both take a refreshing sip. Stock comes. They just hear like, right now. Yeah.
Not tomorrow. Yo, speaking of Van Halen, niggas got mad tight because Billie Eilish is like, who's Van Halen?
Yeah.
But y'all niggas forgot Billie Eilish is like fucking 15 years old.
All right. If you mad at Billie Irish for not knowing who Van Halen is, okay, let me ask you a question. Name all the members of Killer Army.
Boom. There you go.
I know all the hip hop. I know everything in music.
Yeah, You gotta be well rounded. You gotta know everything. Blah,
Okay.
blah, 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 blah. Fuck out of here.
Get out of here.
Name one Wu Gambino.
Woo.
One.
Name one of the 2 female vocalists that were signature pieces of the Wu-Tang Clan.
That's right. But you can't, because I'm drawing a blank right now too. I almost said T'Challa, but that was from fucking Black Panther. But it's something like that. Is it Daiana?
Blue Raspberry and Takitha.
Takitha.
Yeah,
There
yeah.
you go.
Remember
I knew some of the two.
she sung All That I Got Is You. And everybody
Did she
was
do
like,
Rainy Days?
and everybody was like, where the fuck is Mary J. Blige? Oh.
Yeah, shout out Takitha. Very underrated.
No, Blue Raspberry did Rainy Days. Blue Raspberry, she was like that hood girl that could sing, but didn't have no training, so she couldn't really sing. But she was like, fuck it. I fucked
My
with it.
man is going insane.
Go ahead, baby.
Yeah.
Go
Sing
ahead,
it, baby.
She just be singing in the living room at Thanksgiving and shit. You're like, we doing this again? Go ahead, sing Big Mama's song and shit. Nigga, that's my type. That's my type.
That's my type. What beat is that though? That was another beat before. Is that Freak a Leak?
Yeah,
Freak a Leak.
Freak a
There
Leak.
it is. Yes.
I thought you studied hip hop. How do you not know?
Freak a Leak.
How do you not know this? The gospel songs,
It's fun.
right?
Hip hop classic. Freak a Leak.
We're gonna congregation, please turn to song 162. Is it like bah, 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 bah. To Keisha, Rhonda,
Tanisha, Karen. I'm like, Karen?
the choir's like Freak a Leak. There's gonna see more of this at our mega church.
You know what I'm saying? Get ready.
Instead of Freak a Leak, it's gonna be called instead of Freak a Leak, come on, it'll be something religious. Jesus freaks.
Jesus freaks. Jesus freak.
Jesus freak. Jesus freaks. Jesus freaks. Save them. Bless them.
Bless them.
Love them. Provide them.
Shower them with love. Become a
go.
funnel.
There we go.
Blah, shiki bye bye. Blah, shiki bye bye. We did turn to Michael Jackson.
Because listen.
But I can see, but I can shine, but I can shine.
Everyone's dancing.
That's when the blessings come in.
The blessings come in. And then we got like, when we say the blessings come in, the blessing dancers come in.
They're like, hey.
It's just the Nick City dancers. But they're dancing in like skirts to their ankles and shit. They're very modest.
The wild long denim skirt. Shout out to every shorty that I went to high school with that came through with the wild long denim skirt, and I was like, "Yo, is this a cult?"
Well, you saw that, and that was like to let you know they was wild religious, but also at the same time that let you know they was wild freaky. Because the religious girls was
shorty
always
getting freaky.
the religious girls was always on some freaky.
Hell yeah! What? They're like, "Yo, I'm in church for 12 hours a day." I'm
I remember this girl in Baychester Projects told me to put the condom on before I came over.
Woo!
I was like, wow, because she was like, her mother's there. I was like, yo, you are wild.
Oh, you're what?
She was like, I don't give a shit. I was like, yo, because in your head you're like, yo, that's hot. At the same time, you're like, if she do that with me, she'd probably do that with anyone else. So, show me the choke facts.
Yo, we should have put you at risk. You know what I'm saying?
Don't put
Me at risk. Don't put me at risk, girl. Yo, don't ever say that to a dude, man. That is a boner killer. Just say something like, say it in a more sexy way, I guess.
like what?
Like,
Nigga,
yo,
don't burn me.
Don't burn me, nigga. I'll fuck you up.
My brother will jump you. Imagine they could fight you like, yo, you burn my sister.
Yo, you burn my sister. I gotta fuck you up to defend her honor.
You be like, yeah, I'm right. Yeah.
I deserve
I'm like,
it.
nah, you know how that. Come on, bro.
Yeah, all right. You just gotta open your arms and like get duffed out. Like, all right,
All right, come on, bro.
guys, get it over
People
with.
still get duffed out?
I've seen it.
I don't know, because it was they still haven't even caught the kid in the Bronx. I was at the
Punched
store
the
the
old
other
lady?
day. No, not punch the old lady. He shot 5 people.
Oh yeah,
And I was at the store and I came out and there was like mad helicopters and shit. And like I had took my AirPods and I was like, yo, what happened? It was like, yo, he just shot up the block. And the cops had the helicopters going all around the PJs. And it was sad because this little kid waiting for the bus was like, yo, this shit is mad lit. And I was like, wow, the Bronx cycle continues.
Yeah.
Because I was like, nah, he's looking at it like, yo, this shit is cool. And it's like, no,
It's not.
5 people got shot. A 10-year-old got shot, dog. Like... And they were interviewing people on Bronx. Shout out to Bronx 12. I mean, excuse me, News 12.
News 12,
And they
the
were
Bronx.
just, people were just like, yeah, this is how shit is in the Bronx. And I was like, we probably should do something about that. But then I was like, what can we possibly do about that?
Shit.
And And what I'm gonna say is very problematic and controversial. We probably need gun ranges in New York.
Yeah,
Because
I mean,
that
there's
kid-
some in Manhattan and shit,
if
but
you-
like,
If you, well, I mean, you can't legally
You
have
can't
a
legally
gun.
have it, yeah.
But the kid that was shooting the gun, if you look in the video, he probably had never fired a gun before. That's why the shit was bucking everywhere.
See?
So
if you want to kill somebody, just kill the one you hit. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, please.
yeah, okay. I would like to disavow what the kid Mero was saying as I announced my candidacy for mayor of the Bronx. That's right. Not even doing Bronx borough president. I'm doing mayor of the Bronx. Actually, no, Lupe's mayor of the Bronx. So, okay, I'm running for Bronx borough president. I'm running on. We're bringing down the price of backwoods.
Yeah, 16 is way too much.
We're gonna legalize marijuana. I know I legally do not have that power. Fuck it. I don't give a shit.
Okay.
What else?
Just do like a Amsterdam type of area. Be like,
Yeah.
yo, this whole area right here, like, yo, cops can't come in here.
Okay, and like legally, you can drink in the street right outside of Yankee Stadium.
Yeah.
That gets me all the white votes. I just got every Irish and every cop vote.
Oh my god.
I don't like all the Mullion stuff, but that Yankee shit.
Yeah, I like that.
I like that.
I bring a couple deuces to the park. I eat a drink them. You know what I'm saying? Drink them in my fucking Ford Taurus.
My name's Patrick Lynch. I'm head of the Benevolent Association for NYPD. I would like to announce that we are getting behind this Mullion. We support his drinking habits and would like to drink in the street with him.
Yes, that is correct. As the acting founder of the Italian American Association, I, Joe Prosciutto, support the candidacy of one Jesus Nice, as he has allowed us to imbibe in front of our holy place of worship, a.k.a. Yankee Stadium.
Yeah.
Thank you.
My other program is if you get a card, right? If you get stopped and frisked 10 times, the 11th time you get a free chopped cheese. All right? Black people, you happy?
Yo.
This is your best my friend around here in Apollo. All right, y'all happy? you black people happy? Uncle Victor! Yay! And in order to secure the Dominican vote, I, the same way Trump
Legalize hookah.
moved the embassy to Israel, he moved it to Jerusalem, I will be returning the sacred land of the Dominicans. I will bring back New Jerusalem. La Marina will reopen. I didn't even get a chance to finish it.
Oh, shit. I'm like, yo, stop.
Mad people like, got tears in their eyes.
It's like, yo.
Vote for me. I will return uptown to greatness. Libertad.
Thank you.
Dan
Papi, we love you.
Dan
Papi, we love you. Es un héroe. Es uno de la gente. Oh my God. Lucky.
Tonight we are having the election party at Locksmith Bar. They're like, sir, the election's not for 2 years.
Papi, it don't matter.
It does not matter. Tonight we celebrate. Breaking news. Everyone at this election party was arrested. I'm like, what?
28 people were arrested holding various narcotics.
They're like, yeah, I'm an undercover cop. I went up to Desus. I was like, bro, you know I can get some weed. And he tried to sell me a brick. I was selling bricks because bricks are what we use for the foundation in the future.
It's the masonry.
They're like, tell your client to be quiet. He's facing serious time.
So he's facing 50 to life. I don't know what the fuck he's over here fucking around.
Just lean over the budget. 50 to life? Fuck it. Double down on it. That's what Michael Jordan told me to do. Tell him hit. Yo. Like, yo, hit me, Judge. Hit me. What I got? 18? Yeah, hit.
Counsel, why does the client keep tapping on the table?
He's represented by Michael Jordan LLC.
Oh.
And they said, we'll get you off, baby. If not, Showtime. I don't know.
Oh, wow. That is incredible. Okay. I put everything on black.
Okay. I'm like, are you a lawyer or a gambler? He was like, well, either. I mean, technically the same thing, baby.
Maybe I'm rolling the dice with
Got the hot hand and the dice being hot hand and the judge in the courthouse. Let's go, baby.
You got a high in the trial. You're like, yo, pow! You just like dunking on niggas at the witness stand and shit.
You're like, oh, your client's going to jail. He's like, fuck. I guess I bust. All right, time to go. Like,
right, fuck it. I got another hand. Yo, come here. Yo.
Oh man. Yo.
He's like, yo, he's taking the guy ESPN niggas like, he's taking an L with Terrell, but let's see how he fares with Julio's case.
You know, he's been missing all day, but he's got to have something. He's got to have a comeback.
He's due.
Yeah. In other news, the Knicks stink.
Knicks lost by what, 40 the other night, or what? Or they were down by 40, like 8 at one point.
Look at this flat Earth over here. 44 points in honor of Jay-Z's 444. How do you lose by 44 points? How does the NBA not step in and stop that?
Like, yo, stop.
Watching the Knicks lose by 44 points is like watching a thug beat up an old lady on the train and you watch her get kicked in the head. You ever see
those? You ever see those, like those security surveillance where it's like a dude just like beating the brakes off an old lady? You like, yo, that's fucked up.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? That's exactly what it is with the Knicks. Same shit.
44 points.
No difference.
44 points. That means like the other team, the Bucks, could have just shown up at halftime.
Yeah.
They could have just let the Knicks play.
Yeah. Like, yo, just go play. Just shoot. We're just gonna stay here. We're not even gonna shoot baskets no more.
I used to be so nice at was it Live 95 that I used to have to do that. I had to like let the computer play against itself.
Like, yo, go ahead.
And then come back in the fourth quarter and just
still win by 38,000 points.
Go on a 20-point run by my creative character Desus Nice, who has 99% in every shoot, every slider category.
7'12".
Yeah, with sunglasses. That's when you know your custom player's a dick. If he has sunglasses on all the time.
This shit is crazy because if you make the nigga like super duper tall but give him mad crossover, he just looks mad doofy.
He's like just shooting it from half court and just like for three, swoosh. Shit out here in the backboard, just going in right in the net. And then every now and then, you might add them to the actual game and your boy don't realize, and all of a sudden,
yo, who's this motherfucker?
Who's this guy that got 56 points on the Knicks?
How Anthony Davis is on the Knicks and he got 99,000 points. What the fuck? Like, oh shit, why his jersey say nice?
They're like, yo, I'm the Lakers. I'm like, all right, that's cool. I'm gonna be the Knicks. They're like, the announcers are like, the Knicks go for their 21st three-pointer in a row in the first.
Wow, incredible.
He steals the ball again.
I mean, if the other team isn't going to stop it, because now the AI smash smart, so they like
they change the conversation. Doris Burke is like, this nigga eating beans.
It's a while blow up. They start talking about like random shit. He's like,
yo.
I was mowing my lawn the other day and I found a weed plant.
Oh, yeah, did you? Was it that sticky icky?
Yeah, it was that sticky icky. We might as well smoke some now because these motherfuckers are losing by 90 points.
I guess you could say they're getting smoked. And then at the halftime, they're like, they're like the EA Sport, the Y2 or the 2K Sports halftime show. PU, a stinker tonight. Like, they don't even have the proper video to match up for it. They just show your player dunking on someone and hit balls in his face and shit. They better turn it around next quarter or they're going to lose.
They are going to take this L, sadly.
And then the computer, because you didn't turn off computer strategy, the computer stupid AI takes out your creative player, like, even though your creative player does not fatigue at all because you turned off any like
shit. Puts a fucking Reggie Bullock.
I'm like, what are you doing?
Yo, what are you doing? Stop.
They're like replacing Jesus Nice with Jared Dudley. I'm like, how?
No.
How? How are you replacing my 8-foot point guard? Then you gotta like call timeout immediately. As soon as the ball gets inbound, like timeout. The guy's like, I'm still at the score table. I said timeout.
Timeout, nigga. Sit the fuck down. Fuck out of here.
Put the player that looks like me back in.
You look at the end of the game, nigga, styling is just like mad zeros and then the sad face.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Good times.
Shut the basketball games.
They need to make like a NBA 2K but for life. Wait, is that Grand Theft Auto?
It kind of is,
yeah.
but like real life.
Real life.
Like not like, yo, I'm gonna go around clap cops and shit. I mean, that might be some of y'all real life. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
I don't judge.
You know what?
You know what I'm saying? But hey.
Okay, watch your mouth. I just secured the Benevolent Association.
Oh, that's right. Yeah,
the cops.
The cops. Yeah.
Okay.
No. But nah,
stop it.
No. Stop that.
Okay. I'm going to make it a felony.
Stop.
To cook people who are auxiliary cops. If you roast them, you go to jail.
You go to jail.
Okay? I need you inner city hoodlums to show respect. Just because they don't have guns, they're still kind of sort of cops.
You cannot throw a snow cone at them.
Okay?
You know what I'm saying?
Respect them.
Do not throw your fucking Coco Helado juice at the bottom of the fucking little dirty
They have a
cup.
nightstick, a tote bag, and a flashlight. You show them.
Right.
All right?
Because you might need a Band-Aid and they got the first aid kit in the trunk.
Listen, gray lives matter.
That's right. Gray lives.
When I was at the Nets game, somebody was like, hey, Jesus, you're at the Nets game, huh? Remember when you said every Nets fan is an auxiliary cop? And I was like, I'm sorry. What do you want? I'm trying to grow, baby. That's always funny when people remind me of something I said, and I'm like,
ooh, I just be like,
I said that.
Stupid. I'm not going to let you get the chance.
Fuck out of here. I'm like, oh, boy. I just start talking over there like, oh, I was like, what?
Shout out to the Sixers, because I was out there for the Philly game, and there was a lot of people who was like, hey, aren't you Desus? I was like, yeah. They was like, yeah. Oh, thought so.
Yeah.
I was like,
the Sixers game,
Get
huh?
back to my seat.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sixers game, huh?
Start throwing fucking fucking cheesesteaks at me and shit. I was like, what is this, from Geno's? Come on.
Come on. At least make it from, fucking Frank's or whatever the fuck.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, Victor got the
I thought it was always sunny.
Foam's on decky.
Phones on decky.
I see you, player.
You know? A lot of people don't realize Victor is actually from DC.
Yeah. So he's from the DC Metro.
Victor Tory's ACL Dancing Go-Go in a battle against Wale.
He produced Young Bleach Clean Size Finest 3.
It was one of the greatest go-go offs ever. Ever.
That's right.
It was in front of the cell phone store down there.
He used to play trumpet and TCB.
TCB.
You know Ice Cream Girl. It's a joint. It's a bop.
It was lactose intolerant, that stopped it. Happy birthday to Jay-Z. He's 50.
It's over to God.
You know what I'm saying? 50 years old.
50.
Yeah.
50. That's like 150 in hood years.
Yeah, that really is.
You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to him. Because, he went from being a street urchin to a capitalist vulture baron who hangs out with the owner of the NFL.
A robber baron. They took him back to sophomore high school. He's a robber baron.
Listen, he's out here. One day Jay-Z's going to buy all the projects.
Would that be lit?
No. We talked about that last episode, about Jeff Bezos buying all the projects.
But he would do it. I feel like him and Jay would do very similar but different things.
What do you think Jay-Z would do?
Jay-Z would just probably do the same exact thing as Jeff Bezos, except make one building and be like, yo, this is a creativity center, you know what I'm saying, for all the youth, you know what I'm saying, that don't have a place to go. You know what I'm saying? And that would be the main focus. And then over here, it's kids building iPhones.
I think Jay-Z would buy all the projects, and then he'd force all the apartments to stream his songs on Tidal 24/7, therefore increasing his revenue.
Oof. And he have tourist groups coming through every day.
Exactly.
With a little bus that plays New York.
You're not low, Jay. You're not low. Imagine you live in Jay-Z's projects and your toilet backs up, and then Blue Ivy has to come fix your toilet.
Yo, she's like,
how you doing? It's The Rock. Hey, my name's Blue.
What's good? Yo, man, pass me that wrench.
There's mad water and shit. Instead of putting down paper towels, she just puts down a Basquiat to soak the shit up. Oh, you rich.
Oh, shit. Okay. All right. Damn. She's like, yo, this is an old one.
This is an old one.
This is trash.
This is only $5 million.
I already wrote this shit anyway.
This is bad. I'm going to have to call the twins. God damn.
Yeah, they got little arms. They could go in there.
Woof. Baby arm plumbing. We got baby plumbers. Gaga.
If your parent ever made you stick your arm down the toilet, they're real.
Done it, man.
You know what I'm saying?
Done it.
I was felt very foul. You put a shopping bag on your arm, you stick your arm down the fucking water trap, pull that turd out. Saying it's mad hair attached to it. It's disgusting.
Did you see the Peloton commercial?
Which one? The Peloton. You can work out in your house with a personal trainer every single day. Like the basic one, or they got some new wild shit?
Nah, the one with the guy buys his wife the Peloton for Christmas.
Ooh, no. You don't know. No. Whoa. You do not buy your shorty any type of exercise equipment for Christmas. Do not. You're sending a message you don't want to send. You know what I'm saying? You might as well just be like, yo, hit the gym with your fat ass. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. Don't do it.
Well, they're saying that it made the company lose $942 million or something. But I, as a future Peloton owner, I'm here to defend the ad. Let me explain something to you brokies. All right? If you are a person of substance and you're with a person of substance, I could look at you and say, here, you're getting disgusting. Here, take this Peloton. All right? We are a power couple. We're gonna stay a power couple. Put those fucking potato skins down and get your ass on the bike.
Yeah. Oh shit.
Am I gonna get on a bike? No.
Probably not.
No. Of course not.
I'm gonna get on that shit high. I think I'm going somewhere.
Exactly.
Like, yo, I gotta go get backwards. Just get on the Peloton and just pedal for 2 hours.
I'll be on it while ordering seamless. Like, yeah, okay. All right. Nigga playing Call of Duty on the Peloton, like
yo, shit,
shit
nigga.
crazy, bro.
You thought, yo, bro.
So you fucking up your mate's stats and shit.
I'm like, yo, fucking.
She's like, when did I come in? So I came in 64 out of 64.
How?
At 7 p.m. I didn't get home till 9.
How was my base speed a quarter mile an hour?
I just play it for like 1 minute and just leave. The instructor's like, get back on the bike. Get back on the bike. This thing going,
sorry, dick.
we got to do Peloton, but for like low level, not for people going hard, just for like average people.
And then just throw in once in a while, because there's this thing, like a lot of bikes have settings where it's like, yo, it's easy, light, and then it's just like a spike.
Yeah.
Of like hard.
Nah, we're not doing none of that.
So you got.
We're doing the bare minimum, and like we're giving people we'll be like, yo, you actually finished. To give you like 5 awards for that. Like people, we'll gas people. We'll be like, yo, you rode the bike for 30 seconds. Yo, a new record.
So basically, be like Weight Watchers and be like, yo, you doing it?
Yo, congrats.
Yo, you lost 1 pound in 6 years. You did that.
Yeah.
Yo, stop selling these people lies. It's technology, you know what I'm saying? It's the devil's marketing. You know what I'm saying? Unless it's our shit. If we come out with some Weight Watcher shit, bang with it. You know what I'm saying? Because this is going to work.
If
When?
soon come.
Money. Oh, he got money. Niggas are trying to get capital R rich out here, bro.
We're not doing Weight Watchers. We're gonna do reverse Weight Watchers. We're gonna do a food thing for people who need people who need food.
Just go around just giving niggas nutriments.
Nutriments, heavy bean casseroles, conditions. We're gonna be the heavy carb boys.
Yo,
right?
mixing insurance and nutriments together. Like, yo, here, take that.
You give a niggas like 10,000 calories a day. I'll be like, yo, here's your ramen juice smoothie. Like, it's like, yo,
fam, all you do is smoke weed all day. Why are you eating like The Rock? Like, what the fuck is wrong with you?
start your day with 7 eggs.
Yo, like,
Niggas
yo,
what?
chill.
Like, yo,
My man.
they're like, what's the sodium? I'm like, no, I don't care about that. We only care about the carbohydrates and the calories.
I be seeing animals eat, and then I imagine like The Rock just eating like 8 boiled chicken breasts.
Yeah.
Like it just being like, I'm like, damn, dog, with no type of like barbecue sauce.
Just dry.
Just boiled.
Just
boiled, nigga, with like a pinch of salt.
Like, that's when you just eating to eat. That's when you just eating to keep your body going. Listen, it's like, shout out to Cece. Like, Cece's about to be eating. You gotta keep the food. You gotta keep the food going, man.
Captain Crunch, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, go. Listen, you walk around with 2 bottles. You walk around with 2 boxes of Captain Crunch.
That's when the blessings come in.
You know what I'm saying?
Blessings come in.
Word. Hit that lactate, boy.
You know what I'm
Fuck it up.
Wait till me and Mero start heavy lifting and shit, and I gotta get that, which you can't get on Amazon for apparently the spinning gyro meat, the kebab.
Oh,
yeah.
you can't buy it on Amazon?
No, you can't buy it with meat included.
Oh, okay.
I'm very lazy. Okay, I'm gonna buy that metal thing, and I gotta go get meat. Like,
damn, that's
you know,
true. Yeah.
like, which is why we're announcing our new app, Kebab to your door. You know what I'm saying? All right, no more of that waiting. You
know what I'm saying? Just come through.
The
shit is already spinning.
You know what it is like? You come home from locksmiths, you man smack the shit.
Fuck hungry.
You want to be at home, but at the same time you want a gyro. In the Midwest, you want a gyro. And you know what? We got it right there, baby.
I'm fucked up. What do I do?
Welcome to Kebab. How can I help you? Do you want lamb, pork, or cow?
Could y'all translate? Could y'all translate drunk?
How smacked is you? You want eat? You want that meat, my nigga? Got that meat? Come to your house right now, my nigga. You want the whole thing?
Yeah, the whole thing.
On his way.
Put mad sauce with the white sauce.
Please look on the map.
Yeah.
You'll see the lamb coming to you.
Yeah. Oh, it's lit.
And the little icon's just a nigga dragging a lamb with a knife.
Yeah.
When he gets to your door, it's like, I have arrived. So I'm like, oh, this shit graphic as shit.
What the fuck?
The screen just turns blood red. It's like, your meat has arrived.
Yeah, that's like Uber Eats with the motherfucker on a bike. They could just pull it up on a bike. Like, you're not pulling it up.
No, mine just comes as a dot. It doesn't tell you what it is. Because it was going mad slow, and I was like, yo, traffic gotta be OD bad.
And then I see some guy, wet nigga pull up to your door like,
the guy was walking.
Here's your food, sir.
The guy walked up, and I see him at the end of the block, and I was like, I know, saying carry him off. And he was like, thanks for coming downstairs. I was like, yeah. I was like, yo, dude. I was like, at this point, do you want my food? Like, I feel bad for you. I was like, you know what? What's the next job you got? I'll do it for you. You just sit here.
Just sit and relax.
Because like shit,
catch your breath.
Give a nigga the hug. I was like, yo, I got this. I was like, what's it? Soundview? I'll be back.
Yo, take my keys. I got some water upstairs in the Brita. You know what I'm saying? Like, you know what I mean? Make yourself comfortable.
That's right. Give me your phone so I can track this. I'm on my way. I'll be right there, Poppy. Calm down. Listen, I'm walking. What do you want? That's the whole Uber Eats thing. That's how Uber Eats works. You get your food, and then you got to deliver the next person's food. Yeah. And on and on and on.
Pay it forward.
No, because that system works until you get one person that says, fuck that.
Nah.
Takes their food and slams the door.
Fuck out of here.
Then you're like, what happened to my food? You were supposed to deliver my food.
But you got to.
I'm not delivering shit.
Fuck out of here. Suck my dick. Like, yo, you don't have to go.
That last part was unnecessary.
That was unnecessary.
Yeah.
I could go get my own food.
Yeah. Like, damn, niggas is just sad now.
Uber Eats be lying though, because the niggas can pull up. It'll say, "Yo, homeboy's on the bike," but he's not on the bike. Nigga pull up in the fucking S class. Like, I thought he was on the bike, dude. Why did it take you 28 minutes to deliver this fucking chicken nugget from across the street?
I mean, why did you just go across the street?
Because I'm a lazy.
At that point, that's when Uber Eats is like, "Yo,
fuck this."
Like, you know what? They're like, fuck your fat ass. You go get this Taco Bell when you get this Taco Bell. Oh, it's gonna be an hour and a half. I'll bet you wait for it with your fat ass. And you're like, oh, I was like, what's the judgment?
Damn, dog.
They'd be like, you know what? You know, it'd be faster.
It's not all for me.
You know, it'd be faster if you went to the store your damn self.
Yo, wow. Maybe get some steps in, you fat motherfucker.
All right, maybe lock the circle on your watch. You're like, damn, why is it all that?
Damn, dog. I got a Fitbit.
They come deliver your food and spit on you.
And the shit has clearly been tampered with. Like, you're just like, wow.
Here's the 2 tacos you ordered. I'm like, I'll order 3. He was like, yeah, I know.
Yeah, nigga. So what's up?
Wow.
That's how you feel? Okay, all right. We about to fight in the snow, nigga.
Like, yeah, I wish you would. I wish you would. I wish you would. Keep thinking I'll drive Uber Eats for fun. Matter of fact,
this is my side hustle.
Maybe for dinner you order Red Lobster, if you know what I'm saying.
Oh.
How you get extorted by Uber Eats?
It's like, yo, you can't order from here no more, nigga.
Niggas pressing you.
You can't come on the block.
Like,
yo, chill.
Yeah, I better see some more number 26s delivered to this block. You know what I'm saying? Or, you know, might be some accidents.
Word up. You know what I'm saying? It might be Wendy's for you, if you know what I'm saying. You dig?
All right, remember, the meat's never frozen.
Word up. Make your whole head
about
red.
that.
Dig?
Okay?
Fuck with me.
Only place that serves potatoes.
Uh-huh. With chives, nigga.
Think about that.
Don't make me chive your shit. Niggas like, what the fuck does that even mean?
You gotta be fucking smacked as shit to be at Wendy's and get the potato. Then you get the garden salad. You start getting all the stuff that they're like, yo, no one orders this.
No one orders this. They start panicking and shit. Like, yo,
let me get the dollar Wendy's. Let me get the dollar Wendy's burger. The potato with chives.
Shit.
The swordfish fillet.
Yo, what the fuck is it? We got that.
The panda burgers.
The macaroni jalapeno bite burger.
4 orders of giraffe nuggets. Yeah, those sound good. And the
ostrich egg.
The tilapia chopped cheese. Thanks.
God damn.
They'll be in the back like, what the fuck?
What the fuck is that shit, bro? It's just 2 fella niggas with their hair nets back there like, nah, fuck that. All y'all niggas getting bacon, egg, and cheese.
Niggas find like the wild freezer burn shit from 86. They're like,
shit, nigga. It is what it is.
Microwave it. Niggas like, y'all, these tilapia burgers, I used to eat these before I got locked up.
Yeah, you should pop slap.
I used to get these after the fever.
They remind me of,
I remember it was me and Memphis Bleak. We went to Envy. He had just dropped what Mem thinks, and I got this. And then we went to Nell's. I see Malik Yoba then. He had New York Undercover, so he was popping at the time.
He was super popping.
All right. So I hopped in my Mercedes-Benz 300. It was diesel.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what I mean?
Get good, better mileage.
They called me Token, not because it was a racist thing, because I kept the tokens for the train. I had that coke flow, baby.
That's right.
Just on the other side of the cell block, like, shut the fuck up.
Yo, nigga, yo.
You been here 10 years, you tell that story every fucking
day.
Yo,
my nigga, I swear to God, I'ma chop
let
you,
me
nigga,
out the shit, I'ma cut you, nigga.
Yo, I swear to God, I'ma chop this nigga, bro. Yo, son.
Yo, Bernie Clara, cut that nigga.
Yo, tell your celly to shut the fuck up, nigga. I'ma chop both y'all niggas, bro. Straight up.
Niggas talk all that shit, then when you actually have to sell it, you be like... Hey, how you doing? Hey,
what's up? Hey, what's up? Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, you gotta tell the story. Hey, love the story.
Yeah, it's fun. It's funny last night.
You're like the African griot. Like you tell stories. You transmit stories in oral tradition. I appreciate it.
Hey, you want a cigarette?
I want no stress. Hey, here's my foreskin. Nigga wear that shit like a Scully in the winter. All right, it's episode 182.
All right, you motherfuckers.
You nasty. East 182nd Street.
That's right. We got freaky and nasty.
Freaky and nasty.
You know what I'm saying? We some sushi.
Shout out to Jay-Z, born in 1982, right?
That's right.
That's about how the math works.
Or
What could Beyonce even get Jay-Z for his birthday?
Absolutely fucking nothing. She could reanimate Basquiat and have the nigga like do a live painting at the crib. Like, you know how niggas do the live paintings of the Knicks games and shit? Have homie do that.
You know
That's
what's
the
so
only
funny?
thing that she could do.
Beyonce, because he cheated, Beyonce holds a trump card over him. She could do that bullshit time and be like, you know what your birthday present is?
Me.
Pussy.
You know what I'm saying?
Me.
Me being
She
here.
gonna come out. She gonna come out in a bow and be like, surprise. He gonna
Half
like,
your money, stupid.
oh wow, for my birthday.
That's just what I wanted.
Wow.
That's right.
It's the same pussy I had the day before my birthday.
That's right. It was
Nothing
amazing.
really changed.
But you know
I
what
still
though?
appreciate
It's still
it.
amazing. It's amazing. It's
yeah.
the best ever. It's the top. It's the number one. You know what I'm saying? It's a survivor. It's delivering multiple children. Yo, I'ma just shut up before I take myself in deeper. I love you, B. Thank
I'm
you.
going to the other room and work on my dreads.
That's right. I got yo, where's my beeswax? Blue!
Blue, call my lockologist. They're getting kind of fuzzy. I can't. The Rock Nation brunch is coming up. I can't have J. Cole looking better.
Nah.
Mero and Jesus gonna roast me. Pekka said they could come. I don't really trust them.
I
But
don't trust them niggas, man. They be going in.
Jesus keeps talking about getting eggs with cheese, but he said he's lactose intolerant. I don't want him to be in the bathroom.
You know what I mean? Blowing it up. Then
That's
I gotta
wild.
go do
That's
pee-pee. I gotta do pee-pee, nigga. Shit give me anxiety. I saw someone doo-doo in the
All these
bathroom.
people.
I got a little bit of agoraphobia, if you feel me. Triple entendre, nigga, don't ask me how. Well, it wasn't even one, but fuck it.
I'm just imagining Jay-Z playing this for Pekkas. Like,
These niggas?
these niggas coming?
These niggas?
yeah, we coming to the fucking
Yeah,
Rock
that's
Nation
right.
brunch.
That's right.
We didn't get an Emmy, but we going to the Rock Nation
You know what I'm
brunch.
saying? Come fuck with your boys.
Okay.
Oh, push us over the edge.
I think we're gonna cry when we actually get that invite. We could cry on air and shit. We're like, we made it. They're gonna show all the Jamaicans in a courtyard in Montego Bay, and they're gonna watch it on a big screen like a Usain Bolt race.
It's gonna be like when fucking Juan Soto hit that fucking walk-off shit in the World Series, and it's just mad Dominican niggas out in the street like, I don't know what.
Rock that shot, rock that shot, rock that shot, rock that shot. Niggas gonna play like fucking Encore by Jay-Z. They start new dances.
That's right. You could be anywhere else in the world, but you chose to be here with me.
Like, all Jamaican public schools are closed for the day. Oh man! So make that happen.
Shit, that's
Why don't we
right.
just do our own brunch? The Sushi Boys brunch.
We could. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
And just have invite all the old school Pino joints.
Yeah. We could just have like our current Sushi Boy friends
You know what I'm saying?
come hang out with us and shit. We'd have to get Anna Kendry to do it because she has the perfect face and voice for booking an Airbnb.
Oh yeah.
Also, because she's a white woman, if we destroy that Airbnb, when they come and press her, she could just be like, so, and just walk away. And there's nothing they could do.
What are you gonna do about it?
Literally nothing. She could be like, so, I don't care.
I don't care.
Bye.
You
Bye.
So,
She just bye, just gets an Uber. They're
Like shit happens. Like you gave your house to a stranger, you fucking idiot.
Yeah.
What'd you think was gonna happen? Are you dumb?
Ma'am,
Did you think I wasn't gonna smoke pot in here?
ma'am, they kicked a hole through the wall.
So what? That was me.
You?
I was practicing my choreography for Trolls 3.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
So fuck off.
My kids love Trolls too.
Yeah, they love it. I'll send you a fucking screener. Fuck you. Eat a dick.
Thank you, Anna Kendra.
Yeah. Did you like my Hilton ad? Was it good? Did you like it?
She's gonna text me after this, like, what the fuck was that? I'm like, please don't curse. Please don't curse. Please don't curse. We're not Sushi Boys. We're trying to be better people. Kinda, sorta.
A little bit.
Not really.
little shy.
Are we?
No.
Shout out to the homeless guy the other day who I was going in the gas station and he was like, you got some change? And I was like, okay, first of all, like, when you know, a little common, be like, excuse me, do you have change? Can you help a brother out or whatever? Don't just grr at me. But in my head, I was like, his life is significantly rougher than mine. Who am I to judge? Yeah. And I was like, I got you when I come out, my guy.
Yeah. Your
man said, yeah, you better have it, because niggas go inside and say they're going to give me money, but when they come out, they don't. I'm tired of that shit. And I was like, oh, perhaps man thinks me pussy.
Yo.
Proud.
Wow. Yo, let me ask you a question again. Did you provide a service or better my life in any way, shape, or form?
Let me get this straight. You opened the door that I was going to open myself?
Yeah.
And now,
matter of fact, you did me a disservice, nigga, because that would have been like a couple calories that I would have burned opening that heavy ass door. But now you just opened the shit for me, so you did me a disservice. Now I gotta take.
You kind of threatened me. So now I'm inside and I'm at the ATM and I see him watching me from outside. I was like, oh, this nigga really wants all the smoke. So in my head, I was like, I'm gonna get the change and come out and have the face off with him. Probably get arrested. Throw everything away like Jay-Z stabbing on. Yeah. But he right before somehow
he bit them charges like Rocky.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Right before it happened, an older Dominican man came in. And as he was coming in, the guy was like, you got any money? And the older Dominican man gave him $1. And then the homeless guy walked away. And the older Dominican guy pushed him from behind and was like, say thank you, coño. And I was like, yo.
Dominicana son.
And they almost started fighting. And I was like, I appreciate you. Thank you, Poppy. Show him some Bronx etiquette.
That's the old school way.
Yo.
Don't get Brownie Lopez down here.
The way he said, and the way he was like he was the kind. No, it wasn't. It was both hands from behind. I was like, yo, shout out to him. I've received
quite a few of those.
I was like, yo, little Bronx etiquette, yo.
The little open hand slap to the back of the head. Listen, you know what I'm saying? Like, made a coño.
So just say thank you and please. That's it, bro. Right?
Basic manners.
Oh, Zambic. But episode 182 of the world's most highly prescribed. Please ask your physician if there's any side effects from listening to this podcast.
You know what I'm saying?
It's me, your boy, Jesus Nights, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat like Tineo, aka Pocket Stay Fat like here we go. Yeah. Somebody that might know you, bitch. Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, DJ Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a Rando. 1994 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off. The Juve boss, MC Little Gunga P. Putting up 40 with your shorty. AKA don't talk to me in the Uber pool because I don't know you. If I put a photo of you in my iPhone and I scrolled up, it would not list you as someone that's a previous photo of because you're not in my phone.
So, sorry. Bye. Bye.
And it's not going to make one of those weird video compilations of videos you don't want it to make. You're like, yo, what do you do? Whoa,
not that one.
And it just throws the wild Jersey hip hop bass like doom doom do 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 do. I was like, why would you add hip hop underneath a picture of my dead grandma in the casket? And it's just a scroller like, dude, always remember her. And it's like a picture of Mac. And I'm like, this shit's such a mess.
It's out of sync.
And then it's like, hey. We're going to end it with a dick pic. I'm like, no! The original my +1 got a +1, so don't make a fuss on. Just do not. Just listen. All right? Actually, we're so high maintenance now, we're going to need a private entrance. Can't just walk through the front door. Mm-hmm. Sorry. It's just the rules. It's stupid. It's the 30 Rock rules, baby. We didn't make it. What do you want?
What you need, baby?
Every time we go see Jimmy Fallon, we got to go downstairs, baby. Paparazzi, they be out there. They be flocking. They watching. They flocking.
they love the boys.
Jermaine Avocado told you, pay $18 for me and don't even eat it. Young Father, go to Mufasa. Young Takunari, out the cornery. AK Chili Mon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Que lo que?
Papi.
3 phone Jones. 3. I just bought another one. I bought a phone from Mac. I'll just be calling him in the daytime and be like, what are you doing?
Yo,
He's
like, what's
good? I'm licking my nuts. I'm like, all right, cool. I'll see you in a bit. Dizek Mocking, the Jake Chocos, Stanley Cups, the Human Dr. Bonner's label. Dilute.
You gotta do it 3 times or else you will burn your epidermal.
That's right, bro. Dina the Trapio, Mr. 240p. Because like my Pino. Yeah. So blurry.
So blurry, you can't tell what orifice it is.
You can't see what I see, but what I see is Pino butt.
Pino butt.
Oh.
Yo. Fuck the Pino can. We didn't even do the Pino can.
Yeah, we stopped doing that because people getting mad. People were like, yo. People were like, don't take the Pino out.
Don't take the Pino out.
Don't take the Pino out. They want the Pino in, bro. They want the Listen, they're like, what are you guys, Alestra? Leave it in, bro. Leave that shit in, bro. Like, we want that. We want that real shit. We want that hip hop, but we want that Pino, real Pino. This is like going to the Chinese store, like, I want no MSG. And they're like, okay, no MSG. First of all, I did not do that in a voice. That was just how I said no MSG. But them niggas still use MSG. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. MSG's not bad. You know what is bad? Madison Square Garden, bro. Yeah. Take that next. Yeah.
You know the fucking vibes.
You know all the fucking vibes, bro.
Taking L's all over the place.
All over L's, and we're not talking about big. Rest in peace. All right. It's your boy DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Washed FM. Oh, we got some real hip hop because I mentioned them earlier.
God,
what you guys know?
Born to kill saga, giving niggas head trauma. Bulletproof shield is made of gold armor.
Okay. A little Killer Army from 1997.
Yo, the Puerto Rican dude will go front.
If there is a older black or Puerto Rican person that works with you in New York City,
they might be a member of Killer Army.
Ask them if they were in Killer Army.
Yes, they probably were. No kid.
It's the guy that does the elevator here at Milk. He was like, "Yeah, I was Master Killer."
I was like, "Oh shit,
that was you. Thank you for your service."
Oh
wow,
shout out to you, Jamal Reed.
The Curry Goat, Jesus Spice, Jamal Hash from the Bronx, Celine Dion. My heart will go on. Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno. You can't contain him. The human mimic. Word to Young Aaron, the racist provocateur, Henrik Budkos, Nelson Bangdella, Sergio Can't See Me, Vladimir Booth, and the human word is melting in your mouth. Mr. Beck on Deckerton, Ricky Tiki, Squappy, Greg Popovich. Felt the heat on that? Can you feel the heat inside my butt? Can you feel the heat inside my chest? More says with your chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, not Maccabee, but I got that cool cumber. The juice of press, what your boy never is. I am the art damn it, the Dundana Ganoush. No more cup of noodles, put the peck, I'm the Fashion Nova, Casanova. We make cents, 5 cents, 10 cents, $1, forget the small change.
You want what you want, what you need?
Big money, wine.
Yeah.
One day I gotta do an acoustic version of this. Cent, 5 cent, 10 cent, $1. Forget the small change. Give me big money wine. While you laugh, it will be the #1 song at brunch in Brooklyn.
Oh, forget it.
Okay. Wait till we're at Soho House and you hear it. You're like, oh shit, my song.
God, this is my shit.
Put your phone down. You can't take pictures here.
Siri, what song is this?
This is the Fire Tune by Desus Nice. I'm on the phone. I'm on the cover with no shoes on, so you know it's real.
Oh yeah, this shit is real. This shit is real. Down to earth.
The name of my album is Crips and Crumpets or some shit. I don't know.
Oh shit. He's
sold out. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mrs. Sacker catch me at square one, top left, Mantis Mark.
Yeah.
Sure was the holy cow. Mrs. Stop Punks, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Stuff, Soda, and it's me, Sunny D.
What is that? What is that?
I said it's me, Sunny D. Just show, we run out the fridge, start yoking niggas up.
Like, yo.
It's Sunny D o'clock, nigga.
What's poppin'?
Gotta run out the house with your kids and shit. Don't run from Sunny D,
nigga. That was a warning shot.
Oh my God, come quick. Sunny D shooting at us. Oh my God. They never take me alive. Get high with a 4-5. Sunny D is played by DMX. No, Sunny D is played by Cuba Gooding Jr.
Oh, yeah. You know the vibe.
Somebody suck that baby's dick.
Oh, God, he's back.
Somebody suck that baby's
I hear him.
Did you see that shit, Matt Faintly in the background?
The way Kool-Aid busts through the wall, Sunny D just shoots his way through.
Somebody suck that baby's dick. Somebody suck that baby's dick.
I'm here.
David Ure, man. Jesus Spencer, Jesus Red, about So Keem Noah, Andrew Coonanen, aka the Junior Energy God Jr. Come sit down, probably charge.
Sit on it. No wireless charging.
Call me Pet Cook, I got to go on freeze. Top of the gossip, beside shout out to 11791. Wow. Yo, shout out to the dog show. Again, the Boston Terrier lost a lot of money because I bet on that. You'd be surprised what dark web site you have to go to. I had to go through the Sudan to bet on this, and I lost a lot of shekels on it. But you know, the bitch on freeze did not win. But shout out to Duke the Bulldog that won.
Listen,
I saw it.
I never bet on a repeat though. Bichon Freeze won last year. You know what I'm saying? This is true degenerate wisdom.
AK Grandpa Joe, because when you see Charlie, you see me. Don't touch that golden ticket.
Yo.
See, man, Dead IDs is murdering sheriff.
Yeah.
Be ashamed if one of the koi from this koi pond went missing in this hotel. Also, it'd be a shame if I ordered a hot plate to my room, and it'd be a shame if you smelled like fish frying later. So. They're like, why? They're like, you stole a koi.
We got a $500 per diem, sir.
Yeah, but I want a fresh koi.
That's carp, nigga. They just call the koi to make it look fancy. It's just a big ass goldfish.
It's like that R. Kelly song. Koi, 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 koi. Really shopping that shit with the bad breezes like I'm Yeezy, please believe me. The black Asian addict will crack your back like an automatic craftmatic. Mr. La Marina, mesmer, fresh misdemeanor, cold demeanor. And I say to you, every Dominican, La Marina will reopen. Yeah. It will reopen. La Marie. In today's election results, no one showed up to vote for Daniel Baker because everyone was too high. I'm like, shit, we should have had that party before.
Yo, you can vote from home though.
Niggas found an Instagram meme.
Do a Twitter poll.
I'm like, yeah, just retweet this as a vote. Retweet my bookings tweet.
It's like the NBA also here. Nigga just like, yo, hashtag these nice. You know what I'm saying?
Like,
boom,
that doesn't
that's
work.
a vote. That counts as a vote.
Remember, ladies, if you take a picture showing your butt cheeks and you put hashtag Pizza Zoo, hashtag Desus for mayor, it counts as an election.
It counts as an election.
Hook it up, Yesenia. I was cute today. Hashtag Desus. Cheat mask killer. No one will be illa. The Black Zach Moore support Morris. Young KPI. They do a pizza zoo, but like a Hanukkah pizza zoo.
Oh shit.
With latkes and shit.
Yeah. Matzo pizza.
Woo.
Like that little flatbread joint.
Woo.
You know what I'm saying? A little fancy. You know what I'm saying?
Showing personal Desus, baby. Call me on your deathbed. I might show up. AKA your problematic bae. It's not a secret family. If you ignore them.
Yeah.
Literally, if you just close your eyes and they're in the house, like, they don't count.
They don't count.
Okay.
You can just live on your roof.
Live on the roof. Up next, coming to the table, we got...
Oh, it's your motherfucking boy, the human problematic line. It's the Kid Mero, a.k.a. the human durag, a.k.a. Donovan McDab, a.k.a. Curve Gotti. You know what I'm saying? Stay the fuck out of my DMs. Like I just started getting money. A.k.a. Triz Khalif. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader. Jump the curb, hit your motherfucking American Bulldog, which just won the Kennel Club show. And sorry, but if that nigga's uninsured, you asked out. I know fucking baby, I fucking man, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? AKA, no need to check the guest list. I am the guest list. I played Mero in the Mero story. That was an Angel Dust hallucination. I'm sorry. Don't fucking touch me. Yo, they shoot this nigga, man. Get the fuck out of here. AKA CC Dad Bathia. You know what I'm saying? AKA James St. Fatic. I'll go so you shorty. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tiger Backwoods. You know what I'm saying? Smoke a 3 grand backwood to hit you with this 9-iron, nigga. Pow. Hold that. AKA getting to the shmoney and that schmuck is your boy Goldman Schmuck. Catch me slumped. You know what I'm saying? On my chase. In my living room watching NBA roundtable discussion shows. You know what I'm saying? AKA all my kids nominated for best new artists. You know what I'm saying? So I'm betting on for all of them. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm a degenerate. You know what I'm saying? And also the motherfucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA bitch smack me umbo.
Ben.
AKA Diego Maradona. AKA dick in your big motombo. You know, come in this pussy no more. This pussy belongs to me. Actually, it does not. It belongs to you, madam. So it is. I request the honor of having access to your pum pum. It is all about your agency. We're the consent boys. Thank you. I'm an ally.
The growth.
You know what I'm saying? A.K.A. David Trisell, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Take that for data. RJ Barrett is the greatest rookie in the league since LeBron James. I will fight you bare knuckle, shirtless, on any street you desire. If you disagree, holla at your boy. A.K.A. Barlow Santana, so smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash the zip car. And I don't even care because it was a motherfucking Chevy Malibu, nigga. I buy a 6-pack of them shits. A.K.A. the Dominican Dykeman Daddy, A.K.A. swipe my card again, there's definitely money in it. Don't make me embarrass you in front of your management when they come up here and ask me for selfies and ask me how the kids is doing. You know what I'm saying? You like your little motherfucking Target pizza kiosk job, Edward?
It's kind of cool.
Alright, so cool. So put the motherfucking little pizza in the bag and keep it moving, Edward. Thank you. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate you. I'm sorry, I'm a little aggressive right now because I'm hungry. If you put that pizza in there faster, I will not be hangry no longer. You know what I'm saying?
I can respect that.
Thank you. I appreciate you, brother. You know what I'm saying? Keep grinding. A.K.A. Romeo Santos, tu favorito, mami. Let me find out. And also Blackout. What happened yesterday? Papi, we was here at United Palace, and all I remember is I was on stage kissing a very large woman. But I like them. I like my girls BBW, you feel me? A.K.A. Lighten El Dutchy. Hello? Is it weed you're looking for?
It actually is.
Oh, cause I can see it in your eyes. Sweet. That you're broken, sing of her.
But it's okay, cause it's the season of giving, and I'ma light you on this spliffin'. If you touch my intuition. By intuition, I mean dick. You know what I'm saying? AKA Tom Brady, your girl got my balls deflated, you know what I'm saying? Like Bobby Kraft, we the table shower boys, you dig? AKA Phil the Ass Tyson, I want to explore my cosmos, but like I said before, consensually, you know what I'm saying? And with your agency and your best interests at heart, you know what I'm saying? AKA Lil Snoozy Vert, first nigga to tap out on live, been doing it before all these SoundCloud rapper niggas started biting the wave, you know what I'm saying? AKA Friday on Messi MVP of Gelato, AKA Zaniel Bettingfields, I gotta get some sticks, I gotta get some sticks, you know what I'm saying? AKA Joe Hookah, I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi, you know what I'm saying? And we doing big things, you know what I'm saying? We got Pino on a special, you know what I mean? Invited tip, he's flipping coals back again, you know what I'm saying? Returning to his roots, let's get it, you know what I'm saying? AKA Ben Boston.
Thump thump.
My hands are gifted. We are not similar in any form of fashion, you fool. You have never in your life repaired an orphan's shattered limbs using only napkins and kind words. You turkey. Your favorite surgeon could never. Candy, get the strap. Some jive turkeys. AKA, I open your medicine cabinet because I'm the fucking you know who, nigga. It's 182 episodes. You know the vibes. It's the Zen, man. It's kind of a AKA Rico Sabroso, AKA Baby Newport, 2 for 5 niggas got garbage down the way, and they stamped them shits. It's from like South Carolina. They taste like methamphetamine. AKA Nino Brown, shut the Carter down. AKA live from Crosstown Diner as the unofficial late night doorman. It's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I wanna be the one your DD is fucking and Dope Sick Love. Don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? Every week, mate. I have to do this every week. I might as well do a fucking pre-recording for you fools, mate. There's only 2 rock stars left on this earth, mates. The Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain sipping over in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont with the kitchen knife I got for self-defense. You know what I'm saying? AKA I met Mike Francis, I'm never gonna fail. AKA ballin' in Portland, player of the motherfucking week. Barbelos Anthony! Bang! You know what I'm saying? Hey, AKA, if you see me at Target, higher than Taco Fall riding a dinosaur on DMT, approach me like a motherfucking earth-sign mammal, nigga, I may react erratically. You know what I'm saying? AKA, hey kids, it's your favorite party entertainment. It's Benzo the Clown. Hire me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up after it's over because I am on a ton of benzos and I fell asleep in the van. And I peed on myself. So Mr. Fun Fun's going to take over for me for a little bit while I clean up.
Hey kids, come on, sing a song. A-E-I-O-U. Yeah, you. Yo, get over here. Oh, let's get come in the back with me. Oh shit.
Fun Fun, get back in the van. Fun Fun, get back in the van.
Oh no.
Yes, much needed.
Much needed.
AKA, I sold fake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high of Woodlight and an old Mike's Hard Lemonade I found in my garage. You know what I'm saying? As they say in the UK. You know what I'm saying? Papi. Turning on your SAP right now if you have a SAP because it's about to get bilingual in this motherfucker. Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Oye, que lo que llegó el Titi FIFA, coño, el cuarto batter más duro. Conmigo no se puede, estoy bajando con demasiado flow y piquete. Yo gasto y yo no ando con palomo paquetero. Mami punto clara de huevo. ¿Ok? Shout out like Gas Social Time, shout out Kasha, shout out Hasan y Sain, coño, que ponen la fucking nota. Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la lady, 24 quilates de magia en esa melena. You know what I'm saying? Shout out Desus Bueno, el papi de la mami chula. You know what I'm saying? Shout out a la nena de la bodega, Dai, la máquina eléctrica. Y Vicky, que está inválida, pero con la nota más alta que uno la fucking chichigua. Y shout out my homie. Shout out Jubilee, la más dura. Call for location, de venta ya. Mix Pack, we in the building. Y shout out a mi presidente Peo, coño, secretario de defensa activo con el cañón. Avísame que lo suelto, papi. Pronto limitado a mi mano friki, free freaky. You heard? Me quité ya. Wow. 182. En San Nicolás, they got the raw.
Episode 182. You know what it is. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. You know the fucking.
You know the fucking vibes.
As always, coming to you live from the Jamroom Studios. We'll be back at Showtime. Be sure to enjoy this podcast on SoundCloud, on iTunes, or even on the YouTube page, the Bodega Boys YouTube page. You can watch the visuals. I personally enjoy the show because when you get smacked, you can watch it, and I laugh at my own jokes, and my neighbors are like, wow, what an asshole.
Wow.
Anyway, we'll see y'all next week. We out.
Build the book, nigga.